Hey guys, thank you for clicking on. I have a Dodge Avenger here with a flat tire. Now this tire took a few days to get down this low. It's not all the way flat, and it took probably 3 or 4 days to get this far. So because of that, it's a real slow leak, and I'm going to take it off the car. It'll be a little easier to find, and it's also pretty chilly out here. I'm going to move into the garage. All right, I'm back in the garage here. I got the tire in here. Just a quick visual inspection. I found one nail here. So just to verify that that's what we're dealing with, I got a bottle here. This just has some soapy water in it. Soap up the tire and follow the bubbles. So there you go. See the bubbles? And I'll show you how to fix that guy. All right, so there's only a couple main tools. This is the actual device to put the plug in the tire. And this guy here cleans out the hole and preps it. It's like an awl. These are the plugs. These kits are really cheap at your local hardware store. All right, so here's a little shot of the plug all ready to go. You push it halfway through that thing. That might be the hardest part of the whole job. And then we're going to go back up to our nail and kind of just work it out. Some side cutters here. And then right away you want to get your priming device. So once you get your awl in there well, you twist it around, prep that hole, and as you pull this out, you want to get ready with your plug right away. So pull it out. You grab your plug, push this all the way in. Okay, and your plug should look like that when you're in. And then you just rip the handle out. You're good to go there. Most of these kits come with a little razor. Looks like that. And you just trim this. So after trimming it, a lot of times it looks like that. And as long as it's in the tread like that, the patch should last as long as the tire lasts. One thing to note, if your hole is in the sidewall, anywhere near here, you can't really patch that with one of these kits. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day.